I hate the fact that I stammer. All of a sudden, I'm shy. And I opened this package, guys, and I got this. Show me that you love me. Show me that you care.
Because of you receive salary.
Hello. Hi guys, how are ya? So I just finished shooting some part of the content for the brand that I told ya I was working with, and this is your pieces. Guys, this is so beautiful. This is handmade. I am not obligated to speak for this brand over here on my channel, but I have to, because when a small brand owned by a woman, is doing well, I just want to stand on the top of a hill and shout this goodness, because this brand was so thoughtful from when they had reached out to me to when they sent me the contract, and we have to change some things and all that. And when it was sent over to me here, it was sent to my house while I was at work, and everything just went so smoothly. And I opened this package, guys, and I got this. If you know, sometime around last month, June, July, Labubu, I don't know, madness was all around. And I'm happy that this wasn't sent to me at that time. And also, this is not what is out there. Like, this thing is something I know has been around for a very long while. And this is so much better than Labubu. Yes, it is. I promise you it is. It is not ugly. See, it's cute. And it doesn't have a scary story behind it.
I am
Okay?
Izzy.
So,
Jane, I know you know who I am, and you have been on my channel for years. But again, Jane, I am Izzy. I am a girl who stammers. I stammer very heavily, if I am to say. But even at that, Jane, I do a lot of things. Even things that people who do not have a stammer ask me how I do them. And I create content around talking. I do talking head videos, voiceovers, and things as such. Jane, this is how I could help you. Firstly, I would hold your hands while saying all this. There are times that I hate the fact that I speak how I speak. I know that this might come as, somehow to some people, but yes, there are times when I hate the fact that I stammer, because there are times when I just want to maybe talk back at someone or something, and the stammer holds me down. There are times when I want to talk to a child and I am stammering in front of a child. Jane, that could be embarrassing, but that is part of who I am, okay? I am not my stammer. It doesn't define the whole me. And also, I've come to a stage where I can look myself in the eyes and say, my stammer cannot hold me down, and I do not see it as something that is the defect anymore. One of the first things to do is to love who you are. You would always be Jane. You would always be a beautiful girl who has a stammer, okay, or who was born with a stammer. The most important thing first is to love yourself. Two, don't expect people to have ownership of how you feel at any point in time. So when people say bad things about how you speak, or when they try to insult you or throw shit at you about how you speak, if you let that get to you every time, Jane, you would live a sad life, and that is not what you want. Three, I would advise that you are always in a circle where you see people like you. Jane, this helps a lot. I am a person who stammers. I have 5 siblings who also do stammer. I have friends who stammer. Also, I'm also happy that currently there is a rise of people who stammer in the Nigerian internet space. Okay, like when you go on TikTok, check for this creator, this creator, and this creator. Okay, check for them and their page, and try to like follow them or watch them and comment all that. When you actually see people who is like you, it gives you a sense of, if these people can do this, I can also do it. The fourth thing I would tell Jane is, Jane, be who you are. You could be anything in life. You could do anything you ever want to do. I am someone who stammers, and of all career that I would have gone into, Jane, I choose the media. I choose talking, filming, being on the internet, being on the camera, things as such. Even at my own job, that is the key thing I do as my job. See, it's because uh I've come to understand that this is how I am. If I dim my light, I would die in regret. And the worst torture I could ever go through is the one that my conscience does to me. Like knowing that I could actually have done this, even with whatsoever, I don't know, defects I think I have. I do not know if you want us to be closer friends. You could write me up in my email, it's on my bio, or you could follow me on Instagram and send me a DM and just tell me it's Jane from YouTube. Jane, you are a beautiful girl who has a lot of potentials. Like you have a lot in you. There are times also when I hit the fact that I stammer. But again, there are times when I look at my stammer and I understand that this thing is actually a beautiful thing. Because this is one of the things that could set me apart for success. This is that voice that when people hear, they know it is me even before they see me. So your stammer is there. What you choose to do with that would make or break things. I hope that you are kind to yourself. And Jane, I am always here. So speak to Jane if Jane wants. And Jane, love yourself, because I do love you. Show me that you love me. Show me that you care.
Yes, now we care now. You're our boss now. Because of you, we receive salary.
Thursday. All of a sudden, I'm shy.
Our boss is shy.
I'm not your boss.
No,
I'm not your boss.
You're our boss. Oh.
Of course.
Hey guys, it's Nitax here. It's Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, 1st of August, Girlfriend's Day.
Yeah, I heard you separate.
I don't be anybody girlfriend. It is not fair. But so it's been good. See, I'm shy. But anyways, it's been good. It has been a good week. And tomorrow is the birthday of someone at my office. And we are going to throw a birthday party. And guess who is planning that party? Your girl. So am I happy? I'm very happy actually.
Yeah, very happy.
Dede, are you happy?
Lovely, happy.
Very, very happy.
Because you're going to buy the data for her.
Exactly.
What about the TV? So tomorrow is going to be a very fun day, and to make sure say I'm happy But in this video, I'm shy and I'm not me, but that's fine. But anyways, I had fun all through this week in the office. It was stressful, yes, and our boss told me that next month would be even more stressful. So pray for me, and but that's all.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Love you all. Subscribe to our channel.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Share.
This is a party. I'm done.